I'm Bianca. I'm Head of Customer Success at QuickBooks Australia. By now you might have heard a little bit about STP, which is known as Single Touch Payroll, and wondering, what is STP and what impact does it have on my business? Well, I'm here to tell you that my award-winning customer success team have done all the heavy lifting for you. What they've done is they've sifted through all the questions that we get from our customers every day, and they've put together this little session to help make STP so much easier for you to understand and the impact that it's going to have on your business. So kick back, grab a cuppa, and enjoy the session that the team have put together for you.
Hi, my name's Terina and I'm a Customer Success Rep here at Intuit Australia, and this is James, Customer Success Specialist. Today we're going to be talking to you about STP, Single Touch Payroll, and how it affects your business. James, could you give us some insights on what STP is?
Yeah, so STP, or Single Touch Payroll, is a government initiative to streamline the reporting process from a small businesses payroll straight through to the ATO. STP means that employers have to, at every pay event, record to the ATO their employees' wages, salaries, PAYG, and superannuation information from their payroll software straight through to the ATO.
So, do businesses need to use a particular software in order to fulfill their STP obligations?
Absolutely. So they do need to use STP compliant software, and the good news is that QuickBooks Online is compliant as of right now.
Okay, can anybody report STP, the STP for their business?
Yeah, so it's not everyone that can lodge STP on behalf of the businesses. But there are only three main people who can do it. So number one is, if you are the employer of the employees, you are of course able to lodge a STP straight through to the ATO from your payroll software. If you're a registered tax or BAS agent on behalf of small business, you can also lodge the STP through to the ATO. And the third is if you're an intermediary who are managing multiple employee entities. This is also an opportunity for you have the option as well to be lodging ATO STP files through to the ATO in that capacity as well. Payroll officers or bookkeepers who aren't tax agents or BAS agents are not able to lodge ATO through STP through to the ATO.
Okay, so this officially comes into effect on the 1st of July. Are employers able to use STP if they are STP ready?
Yeah, absolutely. So they can get started right away. There's no question that they can, they're not stopped by any way. You can get going. It's one of the nuances is you might get asked, how can I deal with my payment summaries and stuff like that? Mm-hmm. So the important thing to know is, as soon as you start lodging STP through to the ATO, your employees can get the information right away. And the payment summaries, really, the STP is a year-to-date figure, so the information will be reflected in the STP information through to the ATO, so they can view that information as an employee right away.
Okay, so how will employees get their payment summaries so they complete their tax return?
Yeah, so you can log into MyGov and find that information there.
Okay, and what if you don't have MyGov?
Yeah, you call the ATO and get that information, then you can also be your income statement.
Okay. Will business owners have to still continue to do other reporting, such as BAS?
Yeah, of course, absolutely. So your payroll and your GST are very different, and they can be reported separately as well. So if you're reporting your STP through your STP compliant software, you'll still be lodging your BAS as well.
Okay. Well, thanks guys for joining us for this QuickCuppa. If you have any more questions around STP, please get in touch via our community or just comment in the section below.
Give us a call if you want to.
Give us a call and stay tuned for the next QuickCuppa.
All right.